Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to sign up on an EA account. So first, what you want to do is just go onto your web browser and then search for EA and then just click on the first link that will pop up. Then what you want to do now is click this icon right here that says profile and then click on create account. And then you'll have plenty of options. You can either sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple, Steam, Xbox or PlayStation, or you could just make your own. So let's make our own account. So what you want to do is enter your country or region, your date of birth, let's just say April 13 and then 1999, and then click on next. Then what you want to put now is your email address, your EA ID, and then your password. So get your email address, paste your email address right there, your EA ID. So let's just say sample account 173623, and then just enter a password. Oh wait, I think my username is too long. Then just enter a password. And then once you're done, just click on next and then just check all these boxes and then just click on create account. And then what you want to do is just enter the verification code on your email, click on verify now, and then it says that your email is verified, and then copy your code, paste your code right there, and just click on next and then click on finish, and then you're done. As you can see, you now have your own EA account right here. And so yeah, that's pretty much it now to make an EA account. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.